Welcome. We are live covering the ZP election 2020. This election has been shrouded in controversy, the COVID, lots of issues. It's gone to court. So I welcome in the studio with me is Advocate Siddharth Samant. Welcome, sir. With me also is ADR's Goa in charge, Mr. Bhaskar Asoldekar. Bhaskar sir, welcome. And a very, very senior journalist and a friend of mine for a long time, Mr. Gurudas Sawal. Sawal Bab, welcome. See, this election has been a confusion right from the beginning. Everything happened and then COVID came down आणि मागे ते हे झाले that it was postponed a couple of days, campaigning झाले, खूप confusion झाले. आता परत COVID is not yet over, but still the government has decided, State Election Commission has decided that elections are happening and voting is going on. Surprisingly, figures have not been too bad. So I would like to start with Sawal Bab. Sawal Bab, amka machi kite the feel generally in the kite amka details dita बारीकशे.
आणि 11 पर्यंत बरेच मतदान जाल्ले म्हणजे आतापर्यंत जे मतदान जातालें पळय त्याच लेवलाचें मतदान जाल्लें आसा आणि लोकांनी तशें कोविडाचें व्हडलें हें घेवना हें दिसता. कारण कितें जालें आमचे जे उमेदवार आसात जिल्हा पंचायतीचे जे उमेदवार आहात BJPचे म्हण किंवा काँग्रेसचे म्हण अपक्ष म्हण किंवा मगोचे म्हण महाराष्ट्र उमेदवार ह्या लोकांनी घराघर वचून जो प्रचार केल्लो आसलो आदी मार्च म्हयन्यात त्याचे फाटले 1-2-4 दिसांनी त्यांनी पुन्हा लोकांक सगळीकडे वचून मेळ्ळे. लोकांक मतदान नंबर असले ती कार्डां असतात ती वाटल्या. ताका लागून आज म्हाका सकाळी दिश्टी पडलें की त्या मानान जे आमी जी अपेक्षा केल्ली पळय ताजे पेक्षा खूप मतदान बरें नेटान चल्लेलें आसा आनी लोक सगळे काळजी घेतात. सगळे जे ते मतदार जे लायनीन उबे आशिल्ले तांच्यांनी आमचे कितें म्हणटा ते मास्क घातलेले आसले आनी सोशल डिस्टन्सिंग जे आहा पळय ते गव्हर्मेंटान किंवा इलेक्शन कमिशनान बरी वेवस्था केल्ली आसा आनी सगळीकडे म्हाका दिसता की बऱ्या पद्दतीन मतदान चालू आसा. कळ्ळें न्ही?
Yeah, I would like to give a few details for our viewers. From 8 to 10 o'clock, Arambol was 14.83%, Morji was 13.7%, Dadgale 11.45%, and Torshain 12.08%, which is not bad at all. No, don't you think?
Correct.
Before I bring Bhaskar Bab into it, I want to bring in Advocate Samant. Doctor, what you feel general mood of the public? किते म्हणून तुझे इथून
that people have overcome the fear of COVID and other things, and they want to celebrate this essence of democracy by participating into this Jilla Parishad elections, and the enthusiasm shown by the first time voters, the elders and the other people who are actively involved, including that government machinery, shows that they really want to celebrate this democratic process of franchise.
Bhaskar Bab, now talking about democracy and all these general related issues, there you are the expert. So could you give us a little bit of some feel about the elections in general? I'm not talking about Zilla Parishad because there are not many figures just coming out. Bhaskar Bab.
Yeah, Glenn Bab, see, I wouldn't be having any figures related to Jilla Panchayat elections in Goa.
I don't think there are details. I don't think.
Criminal antecedents or तुका कितले करोडपती बी आसा जशें आमी पळय ADR करतात, because those elections are conducted by Election Commission of India, ECI, whereas this is conducted by State Election Commissioner. So State Election Commissioner does not get even the affidavits of the individual candidates, to the best of my knowledge. And if there are no sworn affidavit, that kind of data which has criminal antecedents, like कितले crores तांचे assets, तांचे familyचे assets बी ते एकाले हातून ना अशें दिसता म्हाका. So but and as a consequence I won't be able to get you that kind of information.
No, but this is itself a point. This itself is a point, right? Why is it that, or maybe it should, now here we have an advocate for the legal side, plus we have a very senior journalist on this. Ejer माचे 2 मिनटां कितें उलोवंक शकता आमी. Bhaskar Bab.
If I can just complete, I'll
Aye,
just
sir.
tell you what.
Yeah, Bhaskar Bab,
Because
complete.
Just before the last Jilla Parishad, Jilla Panchayat elections in 2015, I had met the state election commissioner also.
Okay.
आणि ताका रिक्वेस्ट केल्लें अशें बी शक्य आसा काय म्हणून, म्हणजे बाबा तुमी जर एफिडेविट घे, आमी ते सगळें तें काम करतात, बिकॉज द नंबर ऑफ कॅन्डिडेट्स आर नॉट रियली मेनी. दिस टायम ऑल्सो यू जस्ट अबाउट 200.
Yeah.
104 नॉर्थ गोवा आणि 96 साऊथ गोवा.
203 total candidates, I think. 203 total candidates, yeah.
Maybe. So for the 48 seats, because though
48 plus 2. One is-
Sakwarto
Yeah.
zalo unopposed and Naveli is counterminded.
Counterminded,
Because
yes,
one of the
absolutely.
candidates is no more living. So taka malagun te zala. So for 48, this is the thing. So 200 seats, we could have assessed this thing and we could have collated and made it available to the press and electronic media. They showed their inability that in such a short time आमकां हें शक्य जावचें ना म्हणून, and they don't have that kind of manpower. This was communicated at that point in time in 2015 by the then state election commissioner. And this time also I tried to access some of the people in the state election commission, but they did express the inability to sort of meet the requirements. So as a consequence, I don't have that data. But still we can talk about my only contention.
The importance. Talk about the importance of this. I don't want to talk about anything else.
Importance, I am not honestly very sure. Although the two other gentlemen journalists, Amsa Sawar and the advocate, did say that this is a great opportunity for the democratic process to once again this thing. This thing is, what are those powers which are there with these Jilla Panchayat members is what I am trying to understand, because I'm sitting in
Yeah. Dato, we will move to that little later, because that is another full discussion on that. Yeah. Dato, legally, what you feel? Shouldn't we have all these details? Criminal anti is important. No?
Absolutely. See, if I have to choose between 4 or 5 candidates, then I should know their veracity first. Right to freedom of expression, it is implicit in it that I should have a certain knowledge about, at least the important knowledge about which gives me a data to make my choice, an informed choice. And that can be done only by way of this process which my friend was just talking about. That you file an affidavit about the criminal cases that you are pending, you file an affidavit about the educational qualification. All those important aspects of it must be in the public knowledge, so that public can make it is these small things which can make our democracy vibrant. It is these small things, and this is going to strengthen our democracy. So therefore, I am saying not only technical things that it was not issued or manpower is. I am saying that this is a constitutional mandate. The freedom of choice and expression and freedom of information, right to information, is a constitutional mandate. So this has to be there in the public development. This technical stands which are taken, that we do not have enough staff, that chief election commissioner do not have adequate powers, or these things are not kept. I think these are not small things which should come in the way of people's right to information and freedom of expression.
I absolutely I agree with that. I would, Bhaskar Bab, one second. I would like to bring Gurudas Bab on this thing. Now, Gurudas Bab, what do you feel? What do you feel about this whole thing? Actually, this is Badi, Barse, Boddude. Not bad actually, not bad at all. Yeah. So, if you could
No
watch
problem,
these visuals.
नाही आणि सकाळीच मी यातून पळयला पळय हांगा सगळे सांगला आमकां मार्चे पेजने बी ते 12% जाते पहिल्या 2 वरांत गुड सायन न्ही.
Yes.
प्रत्येक वराक 5% धरले जाय जाल्यार सकाळी 8 ते सांजे 4 पर्यंत 4 ते 5 पर्यंत जे आहा पळय हो टायमिंग तेंच्यांनी कोरोना
For
बाधित लोक जे
COVID.
हय तेंच्या तो 4 पर्यंत म्हाका दिसता आमी मतदान बरें जातलें गोंयांत, म्हणजे अपेक्षे पेक्षा बरें जातलें.
Yeah. But now possibly percentages are not too bad. Now, what do you say for what is happening? And in log also social distancing maintain to a certain extent जाता दिसता. No?
पुलीस आसात आणि इलेक्शन BLO आसता पळय, बूथ लेवल ऑफिसर, तो लोकांक गायड करता. त्यामुळे ते सोशल डिस्टन्सिंग हा पळय ते पाळतात आणि त्या खातीर व्हडलो लोकांक प्रॉब्लेम जावचो ना. फक्त मतदान केले आमी जे 60-70 म्हणटाले पळय तशे लोक समजताले तितले घडी जावचे ना.
Okay, yeah.
कायदेबल वोटिंग जातले नक्की जातले.
I just want to now we have some bite of we have some a sarpanch who has spoken to us. Could we listen to what he's had to say? Just a minute. If we can put it on air, Clive. Surprisingly, from morning people have come out, Dr. I don't know, but people are anyhow enthusiastic. This is a
that is exactly what I was saying when my friend said that how much it will reflect ultimately. It does, of course, that's a totally different issue.
Yeah.
People are showing enthusiasm. That's the.
Yeah. Could we have Basilio on air, please?
रिस्पॉन्स लोकांचा होता वोटिंग सकाळच्यान
सकाळच्यान very slow and we don't expect also more because of the COVID. And when we go out to tell our villagers, voters to come for voting, they also say, Baba, we don't go for the church. And you expect us to come for voting? Because they are feared. They fear of COVID. And I don't think at this stage, now see we are almost at fair 11-10, but hardly 15% voting. So I don't think we will be crossing 40-45. Hope for better. But this is the wrong time for election, especially in Goa.
Clive. Now I would like to, Dr. Now we've heard this Sarpanch Basilio. He's talking about that 15% at 11 o'clock. I am not fully in agreement with him because 40-45% for Zilla is, I think he's quite good. I don't know. What do you say?
The 80% elections which happens for assembly does not percolate in Jilla Parishans, where the percentage of elections, voters turnout is little less always. So anything if it crosses 50%, it should be taken as a great success for the entire machinery, including the people who have, in spite of being the fears of corona and other constraints, have made it possible to go and vote.
Yeah, Bhaskar Bab, now I would like to bring you on this just on figures ways. Now, I don't know, you have been, possibly you have been, have some idea about the way the Zilla panchayats are happening in other parts of the state and other parts of the country, sorry. Yeah, so is it also so lackluster like in Goa, or is it better? Bhaskar Bab?
No, it is a little better. See, on maybe a couple of counts, on 2 counts. Like one is
just a second.
The voters have an informed choice in the rest of the other parts of the country, unlike in Goa.
Could you give us examples?
No. Informed choice means they know who is criminal, who has a criminal antecedent, who has.
For ZP also?
For
ZP? For ZP?
Yes, and they do get affidavit signed. We collate that information. That's why, through your media, I want to, request the State Election Commission of Goa, in Baba, whether it is Goa Panchayat elections for 189 panchayats or these ones, 200 candidates, if that kind of information is given to us, we on our own will get you the data in a structured format in less than 24 hours and make it available to press and electronic media, which we have been doing for assembly and parliament elections. Now, coming back to your question, there are 2 reasons why this kind of thing is happening. Like if you see, even municipal elections, if you saw in Hyderabad, because it had of course a different kind of color, But the percentage voting in Hyderabad was close to about 80%. In Hyderabad, this greater
correct.
Hyderabad municipal elections
Okay.
which were held about 8-10 days back.
Okay.
And also in Rajasthan, the Jilla Panchayat, they call it Jilla Parishad elections, were more than 70%. Now, what happens?
Okay.
One of the reasons is that they have informed choice, plus lot of this thing. Hanga kashe asa, hanga tuka informed choice na, and no one perhaps knows. Even at least I don't know in Goa. Ki baba he Jilla Panchayatache member rights and authority and power kiti asa kiti करपाची.
That's a
Perhaps
point, yeah.
They are sandwiched between village panchayat and MLAs.
Okay.
And if you have to give them power and authority, you will have to trade off with some of the authority of the MLAs and give it to them, because the size of Goa itself is so small. If you
Yeah,
really
just,
look
okay,
good-
just Bhaskar Bab, yeah, now while we'll continue this discussion, just a small, could we get one of our reporters from say Salset or something, Clive, and some visuals, if you could, while we continue this discussion, just as soon as they're ready, cue us in. Yeah. Yes, could you cue us in on that? Any of our reporters from Salset or something, give us a view on that. Yeah, Bhaskar Bab, continue.
Yeah. So the enthusiasm levels which are shown and seen in other parts of the country are amazing, even for Jilla. And दूसरे किते आता, see the size of the district or Jilla is huge. You know, it's sometimes much bigger than total Goa size. Okay. Yeah, literally,
Which
I'll
is-
tell you. Even, assembly seats
far
for
bigger.
assembly seats, I'll give you a classic example because most of us know. I don't want to take you further away into some interiors of India. महाराष्ट्र आणि बॉम्बेचे भायर पनवेल म्हणून आहा पळय, सगळ्यांक खबर आसतली. तर पनवेलचो MLA जो आसा पळय, तो कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सींत कितले वोटर्स आहात? 5.5 लाख फॉर MLA. म्हणजे ते मनान गोंयचे फक्त 2 MLA जावपाचे. 11 lakh voters.
नाही, Goa
That is the
is
kind
smaller
of size.
district. नहीं. Goa is smaller than the district by the state.
Yes, Jaisalmer district is much bigger than Goa. So I'm not getting into that. So जाला कितें गोंयान म्हाका basically कितें दिसता, we are clustered with too many elected representative of our Goan citizens. 40 MLA. आता हे 50 हे कितें जिल्हा परिषद
Doctor, we have to
member.
discuss on this.
आणि कितलेशेच पंचायत 189 panchayats for a population of just about 15 lakhs.
Okay.
So we have a elected representative for every 500 to 1,000 people. In addition to that, city corporation, municipal corporation, and bakichi. So
Okay. Okay, just a second. I would like to bring in. I would like to just read out some of the percentages. Doctor, if you give me 2 minutes, I'll read out some of the percentages that we've had in the first 2 hours. I've given you few, now I'm giving you a lot. For constituency, Arambol, Morjin, Dhargal, Torshe, we have already. It's like 14.83 Arambol, Morji 13.7, Dhargal 11.45, Torshe 12.08, Sioli 11.16, Aldona 8.89, Sirsai 10.98, Anjuna 10.78, Kalangut 10.69, Sukor 12.01, Reshmagush 9.37, Peña de France 7.29, Santa Cruz 9.88, Taligaon 9.56, Chimbel 9.97, Korli 10.21, St. Lawrence 6.87. This is extremely low, and surprisingly Taligaon and Chimbel have not even touched Santa Cruz and Taligaon. We have not yet touched this, but however visuals we can see now. This is at Korgaon, Balbhavan Korgaon, which is going on at least steadily and systematically. But besides that, I would like to give it some more figures. Karapur Sarvan is 13.32, Maye 15.03, Pade 17.19, Honda 14.34, Keri 13.31, Nagargaon 12.74, Usgaon 9.97, Betki Kandola 12.08, Kurti 0.46. Doctor, 0.46. Kerala, I don't know if these figures are right, but these are the figures we've
appears
got.
to have boycotted.
Yeah. Kerala 12.24, Bori 12.89, Shiroda 11.61. Now this we are moving into Salset. Raya 6.96, Nuve 10.45, Benauli is 3.83. Okay, now that's something. Daurli 10.99, Girdoli 15.48, Kurtori 7.45,
So south
Sawadde again 13.66, Darbandra 12.5, Rivona 18.73, Shelde 15.22, Barse 16.73, Kola 13.88, Koingini 12.06, Kortali 11.35, Kolwal 14.82, Wailing Priol 14.07, Wailing Priola, not Veli, yeah. Kolwa 8.80 and Veli 8.84. Now, I would like to
10 o'clock
bring
or
in,
11 o'clock?
I would like to bring in Dr. Sawan on the
smaller. He was asking about the smaller.
Yeah,
See,
no,
as far
I don't
as-
want to talk about it. I want to talk about the Salset. Salset has been very, very bad. Yeah, Ichad, now we are getting cut off. Could you just adjust the camera, please? Yeah, in the window. Yes, give us a little wider view because we can see half of me and half of Duttu. Yes. Yeah. Okay. So yeah, Dr. just give us talk. I was talking about Salset. Now this Salset seems to be. I mean, it's
Yes,
been in the.
in fact, to be more precise, north has been doing comparatively better than that of a south.
Okay.
So and if I see, in fact, extreme parts of north are doing much better than the slightly parts which are towards city in the south. So yes, that appears to be a concern. Now these
Okay,
things
give me a minute.
ultimately it is for the people to come and
reporter agat. Yes. Yeah. Okay. Yes, Doctor. Sorry.
Yes. Ultimately, it is for the people to come and vote. So, a lot depends upon the awareness, giving confidence to them that yes, adequate measures have been taken away, that you would be safe, that whatever protocols are being followed, and it is necessary because it is ultimately going to lead and affect your life. So therefore it is important for you to go and vote. I understand there are difficulties. I understand there is a threat of a pandemic still not totally wilted away, but still enough of campaigning on this aspect which was required, and the confidence that was required to be given to the people, the confidence and the sense of security that was required to be people, somehow have not reached there. So I feel that appears to have seen in the manner in which turnout which has happened in that part of the state.
What do you say, Gurudas Bab?
म्हाका कितें दिसता की जिल्हा पंचायती मतदान जातले काय ना जातले आनी केन्ना जातले ह्या विशयी सरकारचो गोंधळ आशिल्लो. इलेक्शन कमिशनान तांकां 12 डिसेंबर ही डेट सजेस्ट केल्ली, पण आमचो जो पंचायत मिनिस्टर आहा पळय मोहन बाब ताणी सांगले की हे आमचे दीस आहा पळय डिसेंबर
कन्फ्युजन.
त्या नंतर सीएम आणि पंचायत मिनिस्टरान सगळ्या पंचायतांची सरपंचाकडे व्हिडिओ कॉन्फरन्सिंग केले आणि तेव्हा त्यांनी अनाऊन्स केले की 12 डिसेंबराकूच मतदान जातले म्हणून. ह्या हो जो गोंधळ जालो पळय त्या खातीर लोकांक मातसो गोंधळ जालो बाबा जातलें कितें वोटींग करप काय ना वचप आनी हाजी कितें सिक्युरिटी आमची कितें आहा पर्सनल जर आम्ही हे मतदान करपाक गेले
हम्म.
तर त्या खातीर लोकांक
Correct.
मातसो पण हे सगळे जर पळयलें आसत न्ही तरी आसतना ग्रामीण जो भाग आसा पेडणे म्हण किंवा आनी म्हाका इवन काणकोणान किंवा केप्यां अजून फिगर मेळोंक ना सांग्याची
या काणकोण आसा थोडे न्हू
काणकोण इवन खोलांतले सुद्धा
खोला बोला आसा थोडे फिगर पळया going in 12%, Khola 13,
Right.
So
almost
the remote
14%.
areas are doing better. Comparatively, remote areas are doing better.
Yeah, Doctor. Yeah, could I get
Right.
Dr. Samant on this? Yeah.
एरिया पळय किंवा गोंय
काय सांगा सर.
No, सांग सर सांग.
Could I get Dr. Samant on
Ah.
yeah. Yeah.
Yes.
So, like, I mean, the initial voting percentages are encouraging, but maybe, I mean, I would be really very happy if we can cross.
Okay, well,
overall
just a second,
average
just a second. I'm getting
50%
some
mark.
Ponda. I'm getting some this from Ponda. Could we play that out, please? Ponda,
अशें न्यूज
Dawlikar.
जे रुलींग आसा तांच्योच मिटिंगो चड जाता आनी जे अवेरनेस जावपा जाय ती तांची चड जाता पूण तरी आसतना जो लोकसंपर्क
There's no bite, only visuals. I can hear some. I can hear him talking. If I'm not.
त्या कडेन आसता आनी सो तितलोसो इफेक्ट जावपा ना अशें म्हाका दिसता स्थानीक पातळे वयले एक म्हत्वाचें अशें ही निवडणूक आसा पंचायती नंतर जिल्हा पंचायत आनी कोरोना महामारी वेळार सुद्दां जो लोकांनी प्रतिसाद दाखयला हो खूब खरोखरच बरी गोश्ट आसा एक डेमोक्रेटीक इंडिया आसा ताज्या खातीर अत्यंत म्हत्वाची गजाल आसा आज आमी पळयला सगळ्यांनी सगळे नॉर्म्स पाळून आज वोटींग केलां एक एक येता सगळ्यांनी भायर सरून आपलो रायट हांगा एक बजावला हांव सगळ्या बाकीच्या लोकां कडेन मागता की सगळ्यांनी भायर सरून ही आपली
Mithili Dawlikari from
बजावन एक
Chandigarh.
बरी
Yeah, basketball. Please
गजाल
continue.
सगळ्यांक
Yes.
दाखोवन
Yeah, so that's what is really coming to me as a surprise. म्हणजे कितें खातीर बाबा हाजो impact कित्याक जावना because I'm sure the kind of noise which was made in the 15 days was essentially to this thing about to have some sort of effect or impact on ZP elections. But there seems to be some gap between the two things.
Could we change the visuals, please?
And that comes to me as a surprise. I'm quite a surprise. And
सोर्डेकर
hi,
तुम्ही सरप्राईज म्हणटात पळय
hi,
म्हाका अशें दिसता की लोकांनी निषेध म्हणून
hi.
Ah, as a negative vote.
Ah,
Possible. Yeah, as a negative vote. Hmm.
But the Nished against what? Because see, ultimately you want your own candidate to represent you in Jilla, this thing, so that you know you have some sort of authority. आणि ताका लागून जर तुजो ऑपोजिट जर मनीस आयलो निषेध करून जाल्यार इट डजंट सर्व युअर पर्पज न्ही.
नाही पण आता सगळ्याच ठिकाणी गेले तर विकास जावंक ना पळय लोकांनी इशारो दिल्लो की आमची ही कामां जाली ना जाल्यार आमी मतदान करचे ना बहिष्कार घालतले म्हणून तशेंच सातशेचे जे लोक आहात म्हणजे जे हे लागता त्या मनशांनी म्हाका दिसता अशें की जिल्हा पंचायतीचो तांचो एक्चुअली कांय संबंध ना गव्हर्मेंटान हे दिल्लें आसा कारण आमचे तेंचे जे आंदोलन आहा पळय त्या आंदोलनात ज्या लोकांनी भाग घेवंक ना त्यांचो निषेध म्हणून कॅन्डिडेट कोण आहा तेंच्यांनी म्हाका दिसता मतदान कमी जालां जावंक जाय म्हाका दिसता दॅट इज माय फिलींग आनी दॅट इज द जनरल आसता लोकांचे कितें काम तेंचे पडला तें आमचे तेंका कांय पडोंक ना तुमचे आमकां काय पडटा कोणूय येवन घेवन जाल्यार बरें भशेन
Yeah, could we get Dr. Samant on screen, please?
No, I have a little different take on this, Sawal Baba. If I can just add, just 10
Please,
seconds.
please.
Now,
Yeah.
if you have to refer to Banavali, and I'm talking about individual candidates because I know some candidates there.
Could we bring Dr. Samant on screen, please?
And Banavali, the total voting so far is 3% or something, as communicated by Grandba. And there I thought there was one candidate who was actively involved in this double tracking protests and coal this thing protest. The lady there. And I know her. So, you know, naming her would not be appropriate.
See,
yeah.
So that voting centers जावपाचे न्ही ताका निवडून हाडपाक बी म्हणून.
Yeah,
तें जावंक
Actually,
ना.
the-
So
एक्चुअली जर तुम्ही पळयलें हे डबल ट्रॅकिंग किंवा थंयच्यान जी रेल्वे लायन वता पळय तांचे वोटींग पर्संटेज आणि एंटायर सावथाचे पळयलें व्हडलो फरक ना.
सालसेत
आय एम सॉरी एंटायर किंवा एंटायर साउथ सुद्धा जर तुम्ही धरले जाल्यार तातूंत व्हडलोसो फरक ना. एक 0.5% or 1% here and there. So therefore this can't be inferred as if they have boycotted the polls. Then the boycott would have, if that is true, then the boycott is throughout Goa. अशें इन्फ्लुएंस काडचें पडटलें ताका because it does not, because if you go through the figures, then it does not imply that the people in the affected zone have boycotted the polls. But let us talk about more substantial thing. If you are really affected by it and feel strongly about the cause, then it makes more sense to go vote and show your power, show your disagreement, show your discontentment. That makes a better impact and that makes a better solution to the problem. Now, whether you are right about it or not, that's a different thing. Whether double tracking should happen or not, it's a different thing. But if you feel strongly about it, then it makes more sense and show your power through the ballot. That is a correct way of going about it.
Okay, now we've got our reporter from Salset. We are trying to get our reporter from Salset who's on the field. We'll just see if we can, we are trying to get him. Also,
Glenn.
Yeah. Yes, just a minute. Ramesh, yeah, we are trying to get you. Just a minute, Ramesh. Yes. Ramesh. Yeah. Also, we are trying to, we have to speaking to Babu. We are trying to speak to Babu and later probably to Varad. So they are on the field, so that will give us an idea what exactly is happening on the field. Yeah, for the time being, yes. Please continue, Totosh.
Yeah. So that's what the point that I was making is, first and foremost, ये जे figures आयल्यात पळय ते साधारण roughly around between 12 to 13% of voting has been reported. Somewhere it is 15%, but that is in first 2 hours.
Yeah, up till 10 o'clock.
It is just up till 10 o'clock. So we will have to wait gradually, maybe it will increase, and we will be able to cross that 50% lines, between 45 to 50%. Now in these troubled times, if we are able to touch 50% of the time, then I would say it's a great success for entire election machinery.
Optimistic, yes, very optimistic.
Yes, of course. 50% is very optimistic.
Very optimistic.
But between 45 to 50%, that is what I was saying. Overall, if I'm not talking about the affected area or the people where there agitation is taken place, but overall in Goa, if it within the striking range of 50%, if we go, then it should be taken as a great success for entire election machinery, entire election commission office, and the people also who are actively involved in this election process. That is.
Could we get visuals from some other place besides Parra, anywhere else in say in South Goa or somewhere in Ponda side or something like that? And could we get one of our reporters either from Ponda, Margao online? Okay. While Sandeep and Clever are setting that up, yes, please. I would like Gurudas Bab to come on and speak on this. तुझे मुंडे किती आसा गुरुदास बाब?
नाही आता आमचे मतदान झाला पाहिजे सकाळचे. सकाळचे मतदान सगळ्यात चढ असता पहिल्या 2-3 वरांक लोक मत घालतात आपण क्लिअर झाले म्हणून. मागीर दनपारच्या वेळाचे मातशे कमी जातात आणि पुन्हा तांचे कितें जाता कितें जाता ह्या वेळाचे 4 ते 5 दीस शेवटचे एक वर पळयात ते वेळार तेंच्यांनी जे कोविड पेशंट आहात तांचे खातीर ते प्रोविजन केल्लें आसा. त्यामुळे आमकां जे मतदान जातलें नॉर्मली ते 4 फ्रेम जातलें आणि सकाळी जे जाता पळय साधारणतः पर्सेंटेज पर अवर इज अबाउट 5%. सकाळी 2 वरां 10, 12, 13 जाल्यार पळय हे एका वराक साधारणतः 5% हे जाते आसा. आणि अशें जर आमी विचार केलो जाय जाल्यार सांजचे 4 पर्यंत किंवा 5 पर्यंत जाता 50% सहज जाता म्हाका दिसता. लोकांचो जो उत्साह आहा पळय इन्स्पायट ऑफ ऑल दीज डिफिकल्टीज कोविड-19 चे प्रॉब्लेम आनी प्रॉब्लेम प्रचार सारको जावना सगळे जायते आसा. परंतु लोक ज्या पद्धतीने सकाळी आयले पळय नागांव सकाळी तर म्हाका दिसले सकाळी कोण आसना म्हणून, पण सकाळी 8 लोक आणि हे केले असले त्या वेळेला असं कितें जाता की हे मतदान जे आसा पळय ते तेव्हा खूप बरें आसा, कळ्ळें न्ही, अशें म्हाका दिसता. आणि सांजे पर्यंत दनपार मातशें कमी जातलें, परंतु आनी कितें लागलें की विशेषतः रुलींग पार्टीचे जे कार्यकर्ते आसा, भाजपचे कार्यकर्ते जे आसात तांचे सगळ्यात चड कॅन्डिडेट आसा. त्यांचे उत्तर गोंयांत सगळ्यात कंटिन्युअस हितून आसा. सावथाक त्यांचे फक्त 16 कॅन्डिडेट आसात, बरेचशे सावथाक 16 कॅन्डिडेट आसात. त्यामुळे जे आम्ही म्हणटा पळय रेल्वेचो प्रॉब्लेम, त्या भागात बीजेपीचे व्हडलेशे आकाश म्हाका दिसना. त्यामुळे लोकांक कितें आसा, जर कोणाक बुद्ध शिकवपाक जाय तर ते सरकार शिकूंक जाय न्ही, म्हणून ते बीजेपीचे कॅन्डिडेट आसा काय म्हाका खबर ना, पण ताका लागून लोकांनी अशें थंयला आसतले की मतां घालत ना. तांकां जाय कित्याक ते आमचे कोण आयकना, आमचे धोरण आहा पळय ते चुकीचें आसा म्हणून ते हें केलां. परंतु एकूण जर ओवरऑल आमी गोवा पळयलें जाय तर म्हाका तर दिसता की सांजची 4 पर्यंत 50% वर सहज मतदान वतलें. आणि ह्या परिस्थितीत इतली सगळी बिकट परिस्थिती आसता सहज मतदान केलें जाय तर व्हेरी गुड सायन न्ही, लोकशाहीची खूप बरी गोष्ट गजाल आहा.
Okay. Yeah. What we are trying to get our reporter from Ponda, Krishna, online, and with him we are trying to get Ravi.
Yes, sir.
Krishna. Yes, go on, Krishna. Go on.
सर आमच्या मध्ये आज सध्याक रवी नाईक सर आसा, एक्स सीएम, आणि आम्ही कुट्टी वागुर्मे हे जिल्हा पंचायत हातूक आसात. आणि आमच्या मध्ये सध्याक जॉईन जावपाक सोदतात आमचे रवी नाईक सर. जस्ट आमचे मतदारसंघ जे आसात जे कुट्टी मतदारसंघ आहा ताजे बद्दल सांगशे.
मतदारसंघात जवळजवळ 1/3 वोटिंग जाल्लें आसा कंप्लीट सगळ्या बुथांचेर. आणि हळूहळू स्लो वोटिंग चल्लां. आणि स्लो वोटिंग म्हणजे मातशें दनपारी इल्लें वाडटलें आणि उरलेलें सांजे वेळा सांजे वेळा चित्र काडलें सारकें, पण सध्या स्लो आसा.
0.46.
Krishna.
Kutti is 0.46.
सर रवी नाईक सर आपल्याला याच्या दिवस होता.
कुर्टी 0.31 आसा.
होय,
कुर्टी 0.31 इतले कमी कशे?
46.
लोक नंतर दनपारचे लोक भायर सरतात चड, सकाळचे इल्ले स्लो आसता. सदांच प्रत्येक वर्सा स्लो आसता सकाळचे. आनीक हे आता फुडें जातलें कळ्ळें तुका.
आणि ते कितें अलायनमेंट ऑफ फोर्सीस कितें पोंडा कितें आसा, मिन्स बीजेपी, काँग्रेस, MGP कितें तुजे हिसपान कितें म्हणून अफेक्ट जातले पॉलिटिकल सिच्युएशन थिंगा जनरली?
आमी काँग्रेस आमी स्वतः काँग्रेसीचेच आमचो कॅन्डिडेट आसा. आणि आमचो कॅन्डिडेट जे आसा प्राची नायक, ती शिकिल्ली आसा, क्वॉलिफायड, ती हे आसा BA पास जाल्ली आसा आनी त्या भायर टिचर आसा. शी इज क्वायट हे आसा, केपेबल आसा. आमकां कोणाची अलायन्साची गरज ना, आमी कोणाची अलायन्स करूं ना आनी आमकां कोणाकय गरजय ना. आमची स्वतः आमी आमचे कार्यकर्ते भोंवता आनी आमची कॅन्डिडेट आसा ती बरी आसा, नो प्रॉब्लेम.
कृष्णा, जनरल सिच्युएशन कितें चल्ला पोंडा पर्सेंटेज वायज आणि कितें?
सध्याक MGP आणि काँग्रेसीचे हांचे मध्ये दोगांचे मध्ये फायट आसा. MGP जे आसा पळय न्ही ताजे मध्ये प्रिया चारी म्हणून आसा. आणि हे जे आसा पळय न्ही काँग्रेसीचे हातीचे नायक आसा. हांचे मध्ये दोगांचे मध्ये फायट बरी आसा.
आणि लोक पर्सेंटेज अप्रॉक्सिमेट कितें पर्सेंटेज आतां पासून कितें मेळल्या तुमकां पर्सेंटेज?
हॅलो सर,
पर्सेंटेज अप्रॉक्सिमेट आता सध्या
एट प्रेझेंट सध्या आता 25% जाल्ले आसा वोटिंग.
Suddenly
25% इज अ व्हेरी गुड पर्सेंटेज.
जस्ट 25% जाल्ले आसा. आणि तशेंच गोळे 25% जाल्ले आसा.
Okay, but 25% is
huge
not
taken.
bad. It's not bad, no?
Yeah.
Ravi Bab, 25%. Yeah, Ravi Bab, 25% is not bad, no? सध्या 12 झाल्या आणि थोडे टाइम आसात, no?
the figures will be till 11, not
Yes, 12:30 12:25.
बट ये 25%. हय सांगा रवी बाब सांगा.
हय जातलें.
या बट ओके या थँक्यू या सांग कृष्णा सांग.
लोकांले काय आसा ओपिनियन थोडे म्हणटात की रवीले सद्याक दोगूय चले जे बीजेपी गेल्या म्हणून थोडेच लोक मातशे हे करतात, पण सांगपाचें म्हटल्यार तशें कांयच ना. रवी बाब सद्याक भोंवतात, आपले कॉन्स्टिट्युशनाले भोंवतात. गरज तशी लोकांनी कांयच हे करपाची गरज ना.
भुरगे ना ते मेजर आसा ते खंय वचूं शकता, तेंगेले तेंचे आमकां लागना. आमी काँग्रेसी काम करतात आनी काँग्रेसी आमचे चल्लेले आसा. काही लोक कोणी मंत्री जाता, आता 21 तारखेक मंत्री जाता, तुका जॉब दितलो अशें म्हणून प्रोपगंडाय करता. पूण कोण मंत्री जातलो काय कळना अशे बी लोक प्रोपगंड करतात. कोणाक दुर्ग बांदता, कोणाक जॉब दिता अशें म्हणून सांगतात आनी फंडींग म्हणून मतां घेवपाक पळयता. अशें बी चलना.
ते पॉलिटिक्स ना रवी बाब.
21 तारखेक मंत्री जातलो म्हणून बेश्टेच लोकांक पिशव्या काडटा आनी वोटींग घेवपाक सोदता आनी काय ना सगळे तरेचे.
बट हे इलेक्शन रवी बाब, हे इलेक्शन खुंयच्या मुद्द्याचेर झगडले तुमी? ऑन डेव्हलपमेंट, ऑन बॅड गव्हर्नन्स ऑफ बीजेपी, कित्याचेर द मेन इश्यू मुद्दे इलेक्शनाचे कितें जाल्ले रवी बाब?
एक्चुअली जिल्हा व्हडलेशें हे ना, जिल्हा पावर कांय नासता आनी जिल्हा कांय करूं शकना. तरी सुद्दां जिल्हा जे आसा ते कितें तांकां ग्रांट कितें आमची गव्हर्मेंट कितें पयशे दिता ते पयशांचेर तेणी काम करता. पूण ते जावंक शकना कित्याचें जातलें.
ओके येस थँक्यू रवी बाब. या थँक्यू कृष्णा. या सांग येस कंटिन्यू.
रवी बाब म्हाका एक सांगा सर, आतां हे जे ही सेमीफायनल जस्ट जे असेंब्ली येवपाची आसा.
Now this is a common refrain. Is a semi-final or final?
जिल्हा पळय आसा पळय, जिल्हाचे हे वेगळे आसता, जिल्हाचे कॅन्डिडेट वेगळे आसता, जिल्हाची एरिया ल्हान आसता. असेंब्ली डिफरंट आसता. लोक पळयता असेंब्ली डिफरंट, पार्लमेंट इज डिफरंट आनी हेचे वेगळे आसता. पंचायत वेगळे आसता, जिल्हा वेगळे आसता.
सो काय फरक जावचो ना. जिल्ह्याचे कितेंय जाय जाल्यार असेंब्लीन कंप्लिटली डिफरंट जातले. गेम कंप्लिटली डिफरंट. आमचे रणमाले बॅटल स्ट्रॅटेजी विल बी कंप्लिटली डिफरंट.
कॅपेबल बरे शिकिल्ले जे आसा ते लोक कॅन्डिडेट निवडटा.
येस थँक्यू कृष्णा. रवी बाब थँक्यू अँड बेस्ट ऑफ लक फॉर युअर कंटिन्यूड. थँक्यू कृष्णा. थँक्यू. या नाव दोतोर Sawal Bab, now you have heard very senior politician Ravi. He's saying there's a lot of news about Zilla will be a. Could we get Dr. Samant on this also, please? Yeah, we would like to also get. We would like to say that a lot of people are saying semi-finals, finals, but a senior politician.
From Parra.
Yeah. You're saying that there is nothing. There's nothing on that in the elections. What do you feel?
Yes.
Samant Bab, could we bring Samant Bab on this first? Yeah. Gurdas Bab, continue.
Yeah. नवीन काय म्हणता पळय ते सामके सारखे आसा. कारण जिल्हा पंचायत निवडणूक जाता, जिल्हा पंचायतीक सध्या कांयच पावर ना. इवन पंचायतीचे जे पंचायत मेंबर असतात किंवा सरपंच असतात पळय तांकां चड पावर आसता. आणि जिल्हा पंचायती गव्हर्नमेंट जे कितें पैसे दिता 10 लाख 20 लाख पर पंचायत किंवा पर मेंबर तितलेच म्हणून ते पावता काढतात तरी. त्यामुळे जिल्हा पंचायत निवडणूक आणि विधानसभा निवडणूक अजून कांयच संबंध ना. हांगा कोण बीजेपी आयली एफडीपी आयली तरी लोकांक कांय फरक पडना. ताका काय पावरच ना. आणि विधानसभा कितें आसता की विधानसभा जे आमदार निवडून येतले पळय ते आमदार फुडें सरकार कडेन हय. त्याचा कितें जाता की विधानसभेचो प्रश्न वेगळो आसता आणि जिल्हा पंचायतीचो प्रश्न वेगळो आसता. जिल्हा पंचायतीचे लोकांक तसो व्हडलो संबंध येना आणि काय कायदोय ना. खरें म्हणल्यार गोव्यान जेन्ना कायदो आयलो न्ही.
I think we are getting some Kortali visuals of what is happening on election in Kortali. Yeah, Sawal Bab, continue. Yes.
जिल्हा पंचायत जाल्या पळय तेन्ना गोवा सरकार मागणी केली की आमकां जिल्हा पंचायत नाका, आमकां तालुका पंचायत जाय. आणि ही मागणी घेऊन आमचो तेन्नाचो पंचायत मंत्री वासो पायक गांवकर दिल्लीक गेल्लो. परंतु केंद्र सरकार तेन्नाच्या आमचे कांय विचार घेनासतना गोव्याक जिल्हा पंचायत दिली. आता कितें जाता जिल्हा पंचायती गोव्यान काय पावर ना तरतूद केल्ली आसा पावर तिका दिवंक जिल्हा पंचायतीक जर चड पावर दिले जाल्यार आमदारांचे काम कमी आसा आमदारांचे अधिकार तांकां दिल्ले नाका आनी हे हाजेर गोवा पंचायत जिल्हा पंचायतीचे लोक जे आसात तेंच्यांनी व्हडले आंदोलन केल्ले पणजे आंदोलन केले विधानसभे मोर्चा वाढून दिले त्यामुळे म्हाका अशें दिसता की जिल्हा पंचायत आणि विधानसभा निवड असं काय संबंध नाही
Clive, I would like to bring in Advocate Samant instead of Bhaskar Bab on this issue, please.
When this,
एक minute.
when in the year 1993, when
Advocate
Article
Samant.
243G was amended or introduced by way of 73rd Amendment, by adding 11 schedule to the Constitution, the area where they will work has been clearly defined. There are some 23, if I remember, 23 areas in which they can govern. The problem is not area of interference about each other. The problem is finance. See, for any work or development to be done, there has to be a proper categorical budgetary allotment. Then only that institution or any organization can function. Because today everything depends upon economics and finance. जर पैसे अलॉट केले ना जाल्यार तूं बाकी कसलेय सॉंग करूं येता पैशाची सॉंग करपाक मेळना सो दॅट इफ यू आस्क मी माय पर्सनल ओपिनियन इज 10% of the Indian budget of the central government and also 10% of the state government should be directly allotted to the panchayats and this. Then you see the development, because I come from a small area in Pedne. Now in my village, what are the problem? The chief minister here may not know. In my village, where a well has to be constructed, where a canal has to be corrected, where a widow has to be provided with sewing machine, who needs a bullock cart, all these things are known to that local area, local people. So therefore it makes more sense that you make a unplanned budgetary allotment directly to the panchayat. Of course, there are 2-tier system, there are sometimes 3-tier system of Jilla Panchayat, then Block Development Samiti and Panchayat election. So therefore, in what proportion it should be done, of course, that can be worked into. But these small, for rural development, entire sphere, the budgetary allotment should be made directly to those people. Only then it could, this election process will follow, or this the purpose of this 243G and 73rd Amendment will be fulfilled.
Yeah, I think we are, our reporter from Vasco is online. We are trying to get him, but while that goes on, Gurudas Bab, you agree? Bhaskar Bab, you agree? Yeah.
No, can I just say, sorry.
Yeah. Bhaskar Bab.
No. Further to what Advocate Samant has said just now, if you see, I mean, it also has to do with the size of the state and the size of the Jilla and size of those. I mean, the area which is handled by these members of Jilla Panchayat.
Yes.
Now, if you see, this 73 amendment should have not come for Goa and all, because there are 3 states still. I'll tell you, Mizoram, Nagaland, Manipur. They don't have Jilla Panchayat at all because of the sheer size.
Yeah. Just a second. Just a second. Sorry to interrupt, Bhaskar Bab. I'm trying to get a reporter from Vasco. Hiru is. Could we get? Sandeep, could we get Hiru online? Is it possible to get Hiru online? Yeah, Hiru, tell us what is the situation in now. He's giving it's deserted. I mean, where are we in Kortali desert? Yeah, Hiru, tell us. Give us the analysis. The what are the figures? What is happening in Vasco, Kortali in your area? Sanga Hiru.
Yeah. Sampada Mutta, this Unmugo Taluka, zone constituency. One is Sakwa and one is Kuttari. So Sakwaचे election Anita Thorad ही अनपोज येयल्ली आसा because थिंगा कोणीच कॅन्डिडेट भरून घातले. So Kuttari म्हणटा थिंगा 3 कॅन्डिडेट आसले, लोपिन झेवियर, अँटोन वास इंडिपेंडंट, लोपिन झेवियर काँग्रेसीचो आणि काँग्रेस वालो आम आदमीचो. So voting जर पळयत जाल्यार सकाळच्या फर्स्ट 2 वरांक 11.35%
Kortali visuals on the other this please. Kortali visuals. in the other. No, Hero, you continue, please. Hero, you continue.
Yeah.
In one of the windows, Gotali visual.
वोटिंग टर्नआउट खूपच कमी जाल्ले दिसून येताले आणि कितें आहा सकाळसून जर पळोवपाक गेले जाल्यार वोटिंग टर्नआउट पळोवपाक गेल्यार खूप कमी 1933 वोट्स जाल्ले टोटल वोटिंग आहा 70,029 वोटिंग आहा सो तितून मेल आहा ते 862 वोट्स जाल्ले आहा आणि फिमेल आहा ते 1071 पळोवपाक गेल्यार हांगा 3 कॅन्डिडेट आहा ह्या तिनूय कॅन्डिडेट जो काँग्रेसचा हा तो लोपिन झेवियर हेनी वेरियस इश्यूज या
Hero, you continue, please.
या टोटल जर आता पळोवपाक गेल्यार टोटल 22 पोलिंग स्टेशन्स आहे मुरमुगांव तालुका कॉन्स्टिट्युन्सी खातीर आणि तितून कुट्टाय ते 22 आहात आणि पळोवपाक गेल्यार 3 केळशे पोलिंग स्टेशन आहात कुट्टाय 7 आहा अलोशीचो आहा वेलसाव पाले 4 आहात बोगमालो तो 2 आहात सो आता हे जे वोटिंग टर्नआउट जे आहा खूब आहा आता जर जो आतोन वाज आहा हो लास्ट टाइमचो विनिंग कॅन्डिडेट आसलो आणि तो लास्ट टाइम नियरली 4,487 वोट्सांनी जिंकलेलो आणि जर लोपिन झेवियर हा जो आता ओपोजिशन आहा तो 239 वोट्सांनी लास्ट टाइम पडलेलो तेका सो ही डिफरन्सीस आहा पळोवपाक गेल्यार वोटिंग टर्नआउट खूप कमी आहा हांगा आम्ही मेडिकल ऑफिसराकडे उलयले मेडिकल ऑफिसर म्हणटा की बिकॉज ऑफ कोविड लोक भायर सरना तरी आसतात त्यांचे ऑल प्रिकॉशन मेजर्स घेतलेले आसात आता तेंच्यांनी सांगला की ते सांजचे 4 ते 5 मेरेन जे वोटिंग जातले तेन्ना कोविड पेशंट्स जे कुट्टायन अराउंड 40 कोविड पेशंट्स आहात तेंका तेंच्यांनी हाडपाची पूर्ण सोय केल्ली आहा कोविड
Okay, Hero, Hero, one second. Well, कितले जाले approximate voting up till now, अभी 12 o'clock or whatever?
12 o'clockच्या अजून रिपोर्ट्स मेळोना कॉन्टॅक्टान हा आमच्या अनदर 5 मिनिट्सान मेळो शकता बट टिल नाव जे 10 मेरेन जे आसले ते 11.35% जाल्ले
Yeah, up till 10 o'clock we have. 10 o'clock we have. After that किती आसा?
सो आफ्टर दॅट अजून मेळोंक ना बिकॉज ते हांवें जेन्ना आत्तां कॉन्टॅक्ट केल्लो तेन्ना तेंच्याकडे अजून येवंक ना सो वी आर वेटिंग फॉर दॅट ओनली बट वोटिंग खूप कमी आहा लोकांचे म्हणणे आहा तशेंच जे कॅन्डिडेट्स आहा ते म्हणना बिकॉज गव्हर्नमेंट हेज खूप बेगिना एक इलेक्शन प्रोसेस केलो म्हणून खंय तरी लोक येवपाक भायर सरोंक ना अवेरनेस करूंक मेळोंक ना
सावडे आम्ही सकाळी पंचायत जिल्हा पंचायत इलेक्शन चालू आसा आणि इलेक्शन about 40% till 40% चालले आता आणि
40% is a very good
आम्ही बोलूया की इलेक्शन आणि खंयची इश्यूचेर इलेक्शन जाल्यार बीजेपीचो जो PWD मिनिस्टर दीपक पावसकर ताची धाकटी बंधू आसा आणि सावडे पंचायतचे सरपंच ते आसा आमचे बरोबर आसा सरपंच इलेक्शन आणि बीजेपी आणि आता कसं माहिती इलेक्शनात दोन्ही कॅन्डिडेट दोन डेप्युटी कॅन्डिडेट आमच्या दोन्ही कॅन्डिडेट बरे मार्जिनान इलेक्ट जाता अशें आमकां लोकांचो रिस्पॉन्स पयल्यार दिसता कित्याक लोकांना मुद्दो आशिल्लो डेव्हलपमेंट जो बीजेपीच्या सरकारान बरो डेव्हलपमेंट ह्या वाठारांत चालू आसा आनी बरी कामां लोकां पर्यंत आमी दिवपाचो प्रयत्न केला आसा ताजे रिस्पॉन्सूय आमकां सकाळच्यान पळयत जाल्यार बरो मेळिल्लो आसा आनी दोन्ही कॅन्डिडेट हे बीजेपीचे हांगा बरे मतांनी निवडून येता हांगा टोटल आनी कॅन्डिडेट आसा काँग्रेस आसा MPP आहा आता तुमची दिसता ताजी पासून इलेक्शन हे दोन्ही म्हाका विचारले जाल्यार आमचे बरे मतांनी आनी बरे मार्जिनान निवडून येता सो दुसरे कॅन्डिडेट आतां काँग्रेस म्हणत जाल्यार MPP आसा व्हडलोसो आमकां ताचो फरक पडपाना हांगा
So Sawadde mostly munta to that basically it will be BJP sweep munta according to
दोघे तो एक लंबर बीजेपीचे बीजेपीचे दोघे
munta yeah okay yeah sang Prahar sang. Wow, just a second, Bhaskar Babu. Just a second. Yeah, Prahar sang.
इश्यू आसा डबल ट्रॅक इश्यू आसा 2-3 इश्यू आसा ते फाटले आयलँड येतले आनी इफेक्ट कित्याक दोनूय पंचायती झडपी इलेक्शन आसा हाजो इफेक्ट जावपाक शकता हय तुमच्या माध्यमांतल्यान सांगपाक इच्छिता तो डबल ट्रॅकाचो इश्यू हो बाकीचे कडेन आसा सावड्ड्यान कांयच ताजो विशय ना कित्याक डबल ट्रॅक जो चालू आसा तो सगळ्या लोकांनी हांगा सगळ्या पंचायतींनी हांगा सपोर्ट केल्लो आसा भायर खंय तरी इश्यू आसा पूण सावड्ड्यान ना कित्याक त्या विस्ताराच्या संदर्भात जाल्यार आमकां आरोग्य दिल्ले आसा आणि त्या खातीर डबल ट्रॅकाचा कांय इश्यू ना सेकंड इश्यू ते पडटले सावड्ड्या इलेक्ट्रिसिटी प्लांट सबस्टेशनाचो विशय आशिल्लो तो बरो विशय आसा आमचे खातीर तो पॉझिटिव्ह आसा आमचे लोक ताका सपोर्ट केल्लो आसा सो ह्या विशयाचो ह्या दोन्ही डेप्युटी इलेक्शनात आमकां 1% सुद्दां इफेक्ट आयिल्लो ना आनी लोकांनी तो कांयच केल्लो ना पोल्या आसा डबल ट्रॅक इश्यू आनी गेलो आमचे दोन्ही
Yeah. Okay. Yeah, Gurudas Bab, what you feel that now it's out there saying that this whatever the सगळ्या गोंयान गाजला ते इश्यू कांयच फरक पडना म्हणटा गुरुदास बाब.
आमचो सांगता पळय ते ताजें खरें आहा कारण रेल्वे डबल ट्रॅकिंग करपाक जो विरोध जाला पळय तो फक्त साश्टी तालुक्यात जाल्लो आसा. मोल्याचे जे फॉरेस्टाचे प्लॉट आहा ते बद्दल लोक मोल्याचे जागृती केल्ली आसा. रेल्वे जे डबल ट्रॅकिंग आसा हो प्रश्न खालसे तालुक्यात आनी बोरगांव तालुक्यात कारण थंय लोक वस्ती चड आहा लोकांची घरां चड आहा आनी ती रेल्वे खातीर ताचे कमती हे वचपाची शक्यता आसा कळ्ळें न्ही. त्या खातीर थंय हे आहा परंतु सांगे तालुक्यात किंवा बाकीच्या ठिकाणी पळय आहा थंय रेल्वेक लोकांचो विरोध ना. लोकांक रेल्वे जाय कारण कित्याक सिंगल लायन जी रेल्वे आसा पळय
त्रास जाता
ती लोकांक आतां पावना कारण हे वाडलेले आसा. आतां आमी कितें म्हणटा की कोळसो नाका म्हणून आमी ते विरोध करता दॅट इज म्हाका दिसता की कोळसो नाका ते सगळ्यांनी मान्य केल्लें आसा परंतु त्या खातीर पंचायती जिल्हा पंचायत निवडणुकीचो परिणाम काय जावचो ना. साश्टीन जातलो आपण साश्टी जाला कितें की दक्षिण गोवा जिल्हा पंचायत आहा बीजेपीचे फक्त 16 कॅन्डिडेट आहा 25 पैकी 9 कॅन्डिडेट घेऊन कारण तांचे थंय तितलो होल्ड ना. त्यामुळे म्हाका तशें दिसता की जी ट्रॅकिंग रेट जाता पळय त्या भागात बीजेपीचे व्हडले कॅन्डिडेट आसचे अशें म्हाका दिसता म्हणजे म्हाका आय एम नॉट व्हेरी शुअर. आनी हाचो परिणाम न्ही प्रत्येक सगळ्या हातून ते 9 कमी आहा तांचे 25 सीट आहा पळय तातले 16 आहा बीजेपीचे कॅन्डिडेट. हय
Yeah, actually, Gurudas Bab, I just want to make one point. Okay, I want to bring in after Bhaskar Bab and this we are we have to close our show. I think we've crossed what I'm saying is Gurudas Bab, one point. Now what I'm saying is that okay, farak normally कोणाक दुखाला जाल्यार you will come out to vote, no? ना तू आम्ही सगळे म्हणटा ना सालसेत इफेक्ट जाला दॅट इट इज गोइंग टू द ट्रबल ट्रॅकिंग लोक अपसेट जाला बट दॅट इज द व्हेरी एरिया which is the least voting till date at least according to the figures. Other figures are not yet come. तेजेर कितें म्हणणें आसा तुमचें गुरुदास बाब?
म्हाका अशें दिसता की लोकांनी आपली तिडक व्यक्त करपा खातीर
नोटा मारल्या. इट्स लायक नोटा
मताचे बहुतोकच ना लोक तुमचे गव्हर्नमेंट जर आमचे आयकना तर आमी कितें मतदान करपाचें अशें लोकांची भुमिका आमची शकता आनी त्या खातीर लोक मतदान भायर सरता. पण बाय इव्हिनिंग सामकेच कमी मतदान आसचें ना कारण गोव्यात सगळेच लोक काय त्या विचाराचे ना न्ही. त्या भागात सुद्दां ते आसा पळय 3% आतां आमी 50 म्हणटाले पळय 40% पावला म्हणटा तो हांगा सावड्ड्यान 25% पावला. आम्ही सकाळी जे म्हणटाले की 50% पावत म्हाका दिसता अशें.
Yes.
Cross 50%.
Yeah. Okay, now we will be winding up within say 10 minutes or so. Yeah, so I want to bring sorry Gurudas Bab, continue. By 1 o'clock we will close. Yeah, Gurudas Bab सांगा complete.
नाही म्हाका दिसता कितें की दक्षिण गोव्यातले पळय जिल्हा पंचायत निवडणूक आहा पळय थंय भाजपाचो व्हडलो होल्ड ना परंतु फायनल जेन्ना ती निकाल लागतले पळय तेन्ना कोण अपक्ष आहात आनी कोण आहा सगळे खंय तरी तांकां 25 पैकी 13 आमदार आपले जिल्हा परिषद मेंबर एक कडेन करतले आनी लोकांक अशें दिसता की जर आमकां आमचो विकास जावंक जावो कोणाक जे पंचायत जिल्हा पंचायती जाल्यार सरकार पक्ष जो आहा पळय त्या पक्षाक ते
That has been the trend all
Yeah, it has been the trend. Doctor, I'll come back to you a little later. Bhaskar Bab, I want a specific question, a little different from what Gurudas Bab and Doctor I will be speaking to on this point. But tumcha, I want to take you a little out of Goa. Now, normally hui, like for example, hui thanga tumi Bihar, X, Y, Z. Suppose if they are upset with the government, they will come and react against the government. We will vote against the government. But is it correct, or is the trend that we see in Goa correct, Bhaskar Bab?
No, the trend in what we see in Goa is not at all correct. You don't advocate with the direction of a government. You have to come to the force and vote with a very high percentage. It's like saying in parliament in the building election is contest.
It's funny, no? It's funny. I find it extremely funny, no?
I said that if you don't mind, double track railway for the benefit of viewers was sanctioned in the railway ministry in 2010. And in 2010, both Goa as well as Centre had Congress government. And this is what you have to appreciate and understand. Yeah, is that in 2010, Union Railway Ministry had sanctioned for South Western Railway, and double track is a clear sign of progress and development. You cannot have development and progress without a double track. And tatun kiti asa, someone has to read this double track, this thing which was sanctioned in 2010. There are 7 or 8 underpasses. म्हणजे कितें जे फॉरेस्ट हे जायना इफेक्ट जायना
बदल्यान वता
महावीर सँक्च्युरी आहा ती इफेक्ट जायना खंयच कांय इफेक्ट जायना पोल इज अ डिफरंट इश्यू I'm not wanting to touch it. But to say that double track should not be there and it is against the development would be totally a fallacy and wrong thing to happen. Now, कितें खातीर चड movement जाला आसतलो हो in Kasauli, Welsam, Arosi, Chandor and other places is only because खूबशीं घरां in these areas, because I have stayed in Kasauli for almost about 15 years before I came to Bombay and for my higher studies. तेन्ना आमची चडशीं घरां आनी दुर्गां तर सामकी तेंकतालीं मिटर गेजीक. सो आतां ती ब्रॉड गेज जाल्यान कितें जालां कोणाचें दुरीक वता कोणाचें आनी कितें वता आनी ताका लागून हे प्रोटेस्ट मातशे प्रत्येकाक लागल्यात आनी म्हणून हे चड प्रोटेस्ट जाला. This is a very considered view of mine because I know many houses in Kasauli, Welsam, bhi अशें जाल्यान म्हणून कितें ओल्ड घरां बी वता अशी न्ही ती because Goa Railways, all of us have to understand, were first established in 1888 by WIP Railway, Western India Portuguese Guaranteed Railways, which was constructed by Britishers in 1888, and since then we have railways, and most of the houses have come after 1888. But I don't want to get into a controversial political kind of this thing. But
no problem, Doctor. Please go ahead.
But I believe my own way to relate to the facts. I don't really digress from facts. I don't say that they are wrong or they are right or something.
Fair enough.
Goa Railway started activity in 1888. This is a fact. Okay, so railway track single आशिल्लो. पूण तेन्ना कितें जातालें आसतलें की घरां बिरां आसतालीं आनी दुरीक बिरीक व्हडलें आसतालें पळय तेन्ना डिमार्केशन बी तशें व्हडलें नासतालें पळय. There were no concept of village म्हणजे कोणें घर बांदलें ताणें दुरीक बांदलें, you know. So there were no issues. आतां कितें जालां double track is a necessity. Let's not deny the fact. If you want expressways or double road, 4-track roads, these are signs of development. Now you can always say, I mean, आता protest किती खातीर जाता तूं म्हजे भाटांतल्यान व्हरनाका दुसऱ्या भाटांतल्यान व्हेल्यार जाता. This is the crux of the whole thing. And this is why
Reese, I think Advocate Samant will be able to give us a better news on it. But Doctor, I mean,
you
Bhaskar
hit
Bab,
the nail in fact.
Wait, I want Bhaskar Bab, one second. Let me just. How कितें म्हणटा? My point is not that. My point is, see, now for example, you are upset with somebody. तू आता हांव आनी लायक फॉर एग्जांपल तुमी आनी आमी झगडटा हांव घरा बसतलो ओ भायर येतलो झगडपाक. दॅट इज माय पॉइंट. माय पॉइंट इज सालसेत इज अपसेट. दे आर हॅव्हिंग
पार्लमेंटची नवी बिल्डिंग येता पयर ताजे भूमिपूजन जालें म्हणजे ते जमीन ह्या करपाची
971 crores. हय.
हा बरोबर. Many, almost all opposition, because it is done by one party and one individual, they have opposed it left, right, center. Okay. आता ही ओपोज केले म्हणून ताजे जर रिएक्शन जर सकल ओपोजिशनान सांगलें की आमी येता त्या लोकसभाचे इलेक्शन कॉन्टेस्टूच करचे ना म्हणून जाल्यार कितें जावपाचें?
They will be very happy. The government will be very happy.
No, but it is not healthy for a vibrant democracy.
Democracy
That
it is
not
not
even-
Not it.
Not
Arey, but
at
today
all healthy.
democracy is ultimately about winning, no? It's
No,
winning.
no. I would
No.
believe, as
Okay.
ADR man also,
Yeah.
a vibrant democracy foundation कितें आसपाक जाय. You have to have a very clear majority, एक majority party, but you have to have equal, vibrant and very powerful opposition. There the numbers don't matter.
Correct.
Yeah, correct.
The quantity doesn't matter, the quality. I remember Barrister Nath Pai, Ram Manohar Lohia, Atal Bihari Vajpayee. These were stalwart, George Fernandez. So these were the people, the individuals ashile, who they used to rock the parliament. They used to hammer Jawaharlal Nehru, despite absolute majority, clear-cut majority. So the quality of opposition is equally important. Otherwise, the success can go to the head of the ruling party, and the good people can then, get into a wrong kind of this thing. So for any healthy, vibrant democracy, you do require a very healthy, vibrant opposition.
दोतोर सावंत.
एज फर तुम्ही ते डबल ट्रॅकिंग बिकिंग तो विषय हातान घेतलो. एज फार एज डबल ट्रॅकिंग इज कन्सर्न, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल देर कांट बी मच ऑफ एन्वायरमेंटल इम्पॅक्ट बिकॉज सिंगल लाईन इज ऑलरेडी रनिंग देर. It's not a new project which is undertaken. And this way that trees will be compensated in any case. The real problem, as you say, it is only about the properties which will be lost by the individuals here. That is the crux of the matter. Amcha problem kira asa, we want a good network, but the tower has to be in Sawar's house. Not that radiation has to be affected to Sawar. I want a bigger road, but the problem is I do not want to lose my land. Sawar has to lose his land so that I can come comfortable. Now this habit somewhere we'll have to introspect and see whether are we opposing things for the right. See, of course, nobody says that the environment is not removed, but there has to be a proper balance between environment and development. And हांचे आमी एकाचो ताळमेळ करूनच आमकां फुडें वचचें पडटलें. In a state which has 64% of forest cover, I think a project of this nature is certainly justified, where especially during these times where mining has been closed down, tourism has been closed down, practically reducing every year. We require new avenues of development, and a project like this is going to bring prosperity to the state. So in my view, I feel that these things, opposition for the sake of opposition, somewhere this has to stop, and we have to think in the interest of the state and interest of the country.
गुरुदास
या आम्ही आता या वेगळ्या विषयाच्या आयडिया आकडे म्हटल्यान आम्ही उलयताले जिल्हा पंचायत निवडणुकीचे. आम्ही पावले आता रेल्वेचे डबल ट्रॅकिंग व्हायचे. आय फुली एग्री विथ सोल्टेकर डॉक्टर आपलं एडव्होकेट सावंत, कारण विकास जर जातलो जाय तर काही प्रमाण आमकां हे त्याग हो करचो पडटलो. आता तो त्याग कोणी करप, तशें ताणें म्हटलं की म्हाज्या घरांतल्यान नाका दुसऱ्याच्या घरांतल्यान कर म्हणपा पळय. हे आमी तशें जावंक जाय. हाजे पयलीं गोव्यांत जेन्ना कोंकण रेल्वे आयल्या पळय असोच खूब विरोध जालो, पण रेल्वे जाली आनी जे लोक विरोध करताले पळय तेच ताचो चड फायदो घेतात. त्यामुळे हांव अशें म्हणटा की हे विकास जावंकूच जाय. त्या खातीर पण कितें जाता, लोकशाही विरोध करप हे प्रत्येकाचे अधिकार आसा आनी ते करतात. आनी ते पॉलिटिकल हे ते हॅव टू डू इट. पण ते काँग्रेस पार्टी पळय आनी किंवा बाकीचे जे पक्ष तांकां ते बीजेपी विरोध करतलेच आनी करूंकच जाय. लोकशाही न्ही
that we have seen over the years. Yeah, but Maka ekut point before you continue, Saurabh Bab, I want to make one point, just one point before you continue. Then Magir continue that. See, my point is not that. My point is, see, Salsette, certain segments of Salsette, Murmugaon, Vasco, and Totor for you also. Just for you, we can discuss. Now, they are opposing. They are upset. Double tracking, the राज्य येता ते दिवली पोट हे कोता. We have covered Dawarli live. अरे but voting time if you don't come out, government will say, "Are आम्ही कोता ते सारखे." Why? How is the government? Suppose if the voting is so late, people are not coming out. Why has the government to take attention pay any attention to the people if the people are not coming and showing their opposition for election? That is my point. Only that. Ani काय ना गुरुदास बाबानी, भास्कर बाबानी, सावंत बाबा. This is my point.
Also, the ruling party is justified in saying that this is a cultured protest, manufactured protest, and a sponsored protest. Because when it comes to elections, people are fine with it. They are not showing any protest. So who is protesting ultimately? Appears to be someone is sponsoring it. They would be justified in saying. I am not saying that it is sponsored. If see, in a democracy, ultimately you will have to speak through ballot. That's the only process. Once we have accepted a kind of system which is through ballot, then the answer or the solution is also has to be through ballot. Okay. Nobody says that you cannot go to court and right to protest is not amenable to you. Certainly it is there. But then also when a democratic process for deciding a particular thing is announced, then it is appropriate that a person comes and expresses his protest through the ballot by choosing the right kind of person who will support your point of view.
Yeah, last 4 minutes left. Bhaskar Bab, you go, and then last rounding up thing. Sawal Bab, Bhaskar Bab, yes.
Yeah, I have only two issues. I mean, two points to make. I mean, like, hypothetically, समजा जर आता land for double tracking आणि कोणाचे जर भाट म्हणजे वता म्हणजे आता घराचो जागो वता बी आणि तांकां जर 2 or 3 times commercial price जर दिलो, the number of protesters will reduce substantially. जाता कितें गव्हर्नमेंटाक जेन्ना दिता तूं तो price level is different based on some indexation बा आणि तो price कमी आसता. So hence this one issue. Now the other this thing is we have to understand this double tracking. I am coming back to the point. Was sanctioned by Union Railway Ministry in 2010, where both the government at the center as well as state was Congress. I'm not getting into the political part of it because I'm a ADR man, but I'm just saying it was a government at center and state of the same. So state government had 2 years to object to it in case they wanted to, between 2010 to 2012, because Congress was there till 2000 in Goa. For 4 more years, it was there at the center till 2014. So why you have not made any amendment or backtracked it? At that time, you didn't say anything for the 2 years. The same people today, I was surprised to see them. I'm not criticizing any individual. Some of them are my classmates also during the good old days in the school and the college. But the same people, I happened to see them, leading the protest. And they were in power when it was sanctioned. So I find a paradox in this entire thing. I'm not criticizing, I'm not saying any of these things. Some of them are my best friends. But if people have looked at this, it looks like just a cultural kind of thing, as Sawant Bab and Sawal Bab said.
Gurudas Bab, last statement.
Not that I want to disturb. Not that I want to disturb.
Just 10 seconds, sorry. And this certainly should not have had any impact on percentage voting. I can stick my neck out and feel uncomfortable that we may not be able to even touch 50%.
We have some CanCon visuals now. CanCon visuals on that.
It is, but it is sad if that is the reason why people have not come out to vote. It's not very pro-democratic and not very healthy democratic process.
तुम्ही एक point म्हणलं नाही, if they are paid compensation at a higher rate. In fact, if you see that new Land Acquisition Act, because present new as per this, where the price of land is given quite substantial. I am not saying that it is exactly the market price or much higher than that. But what used to get 10 years back for the market value 10 years back, today's rate as per new Land Acquisition Act, and thanks to the earlier government, in fact it was not of today's, it was of the Congress government, but that Land Acquisition Act does give a quite substantial amount of money for acquisition. So that's the only point.
Gurudas Bab, final words, closing statements.
जेन्ना रेल्वे ट्रॅकिंग जाता पळय तेन्ना म्हाका रेल्वे जायत, पूण जेन्ना म्हजें घर वता पळय, म्हज्या घराचो जो अर्धो भाग वता म्हाका ते दुखता. आणि जे लोक आता रस्त्यार आयिल्ले आसात किंवा येतात सध्या तांचे तशें म्हणणें आसलें कितें की तांकां पर्सनली ताचेर हें जाता. आतां कासावली गांवांत अशें जालें की कासाव गांव आतां कंप्लीट डिवायड जाता म्हणटात ती, वेस्टर्न कासावली आनी इस्टर्न कासावली जातली. त्यामुळे लोकांचे मातशें हें आसा. पण त्या खातीर विरोध करप हे योग्य न्ही. आता जाला कितें की आमची जी गोंयची भूमी आसा की आमचें जर काम
Yes.
जायना जाल्यार आमी मतदानाचे पयशे घातले म्हणटा. मागीर कोण येता अधिकारी सांगता, आमदार येता, मंत्री येता, तो म्हणटा नाका करनाकात, आमी जे काम करता म्हणून. अशी लोकांची एक अपेक्षा आशिल्ली आनी त्यामुळे हे जे भागांचे मतदान कमी जाला पळय ते त्या खातीर अशें म्हाका दिसता. आनी ओवरऑल आतां सोनिया साहेबान सांगलें की 15% वयर पावचे ना, म्हाका मान्य ना. म्हाका दिसता की आतां पण आमी जो ट्रेंड पळयला पळय तो 60% आमी पावतले आनी जर 60% मतदान जालें जाल्यार हे खूब बरें अशें म्हाका दिसता.
Yeah. Okay. We've had okay. Now it's time for us to stop the afternoon in this. We've had a very this discussion. We've fortunately due to some internet issues we could not get all the reporters, but the visuals are there that people are steady. There people are voting. So slowly,
make it to
maybe,
50.
hopefully.
Should make it
And
to
we've
50.
had this. So I would like to end by thanking you all and thank you,
so much.
Gurdas Bab and Bhaskar Bab. You all will not be
Thank
there
you
with
very
us in the afternoon session. Sawan Bab, you will be with
Thank you,
me
sir.
later. So thank you very much, and we'll
Thank
see you
you.
at 2:30. Thank you very much. Yeah.
Thank you.
Bye.
Thank you.
Yeah,
Bye.
thank you.
Bye.
Yeah, bye.